Men and women have differences in immune responses. Generally, females mount more robust immune responses than males. This results in less severe infections, less frequency of cancer, but at the same time, increased prevalence of autoimmune diseases in women when compared to men. Yet, we do not fully understand the mechanisms behind those differences. Camila Concilio, Associate Senior Lecturer and Research Team Manager at the Division of Molecular Hematology at Lund University, is investigating how biological sex impacts human immunity.
The immune system can be seen as a thermostat. If we turn it all the way down, then we have more severe infections and higher rates of cancer. If we instead turn it all the way up, then immune responses are more robust, which means we can fight infections better and we can also have lower rates of cancer. However, this means that we could also have more autoimmunity, which is when the immune system attacks the body. So we think that the immune system in men is at this lower end of the spectrum, whereas in women it's turned up. And what we think the answer is here is that sex hormones, which are different between men and women, could be tuning this thermostat up and down.
In the search for answers to what part sex hormones are actually playing, Camila Concilio and her group of researchers are using two approaches. Firstly, they investigate the sex differences in the human systems throughout different stages of life, where sex hormone levels are changing. If men have more severe infections and cancer than women, one hypothesis could be that having higher testosterone levels leads to less robust immune responses. To understand this, they profile the immune system of women with higher testosterone levels, comparing it to the immune system of women with normal ranges of testosterone. They also investigate the immune system of men undergoing treatment that targets testosterone, comparing it to the immune system of men that don't undergo such treatment. This approach allows them to understand how varying levels of testosterone can impact the immune system in men and women. Secondly, to study the immune system, they collect blood and investigate all the different components of the immune system.
Most immunology studies focus on one cell, one protein, and one gene at a time. Our approach is different, where we try to understand how the immune system functions as a network of interacting components. In our lab, we study the blood immune proteins through a method called proteomics. This is an umbrella term for methods and techniques that can analyze several proteins at a time. We profile the human immune system by looking at cells' RNA via a technique called transcriptomics. This allows us to see the gene expression of different cell types. We also profile how the immune system is composed by different cell types.
This approach allows them to study how biological sex impacts the immune system as a network, rather than the individual factors by themselves.
By understanding the interplay between sex hormones and the immune system, we aim to develop and tailor different treatment strategies according to one's biological sex.